Well, hello. This is a Go Zero 1250. I've been testing for a while, about 9 months. I just got previous in the collection. And over here is a Frigidare special edition. It's made for tents and small windows. And I tell you, this thing really impressed me. I haven't used it on 90 degrees weather. As you can see, it looks brand new. The guy got it and he couldn't put it in the window, and I barely got it in the window because it's not made for these type of windows. But it works, and it works really good. It cools the whole cools the whole apartment, half of the apartment down. Down we have to wear jackets at times, and this is really a blessing. And this is only 5,000 watts, and I think it's 550 watts it uses. So this is going to be a boot up test for the 1200. And I have to show you that this is really, this right here, they should have made more of these. You can see the back side inside the window. But most of the unit is on the outside of the unit. The main head unit is inside. These are perfect for van life. So let me show you what it's going to do when you turn it on. That's the wattage it uses when it boots up. After a while of using it, being on, it comes down. Right now it's on low. I would normally use 2 batteries for this, but this is only for testing. Today is very humid, so it's using more energy than it would normally use. As you see, it's going up to 500. Now what I would do is cut this on high and let it run for 20 minutes and shut it down just to take the heat out of the apartment, and use the 12-volt fans to circulate the air on a power outage. The other unit I have, I'm going to have to try that and use less energy. But this do make, I'm sorry, it's not a 5,000, 6,000 unit. I made a mistake with the 6,000 unit. 6,500 to be exact. But it only draws 500. And it's using 22 Freon. Turn it back on. As you can see, the power rate goes down. I got 2 lights on it too, so that's why it's probably going up too. I can feel the cold air now blowing around. R22 is the best. Our main unit is larger than this. It runs off of 220. This unit right here is colder than our large unit. And it only draws 511 watts. If I cut it on high, it goes up to 550. I keep it down low, it stays down low. But this is one of the most humid day there is that we had. Freaking nature going on. But I can feel a difference, you know, in the air from this being on. So when they start having brownouts and you need something to keep you cool and you have a large area, this 6000 will do it. 6500 will do it. Just keep it on low. I have other batteries to keep it charged up so it won't, you know, drain as fast. This is the 1250. It's old, but it works. What I like about this, you can have this in 115 degrees, 120 degrees, and it still work. Some of the newer units won't work without, you know, when it's in a hot environment. It won't allow you to draw a lot of current out. This right here will allow you to draw the current out of it as needed. Thank you for watching. God bless.